a visual inspection of the address at 2335, starting on the east side of the property, heading west. So the first piling, moderate growth on the pilings, light growth on the rock lapina wall. There's a footer. Everything seems to be in order. I've already went through and checked for undermining where the footer is. Weep holes need to be cleaned out. Footer looks to be in very decent shape. There's slight separation. I don't know if you can see it. Just the rock. It still looks like it's intact. It starts here, goes approximately 4.5 feet, 5 feet to about right here. But it still looks like it's intact. There's nothing leaking out of there, as far as I can tell. Slight cracks right there, approximately 3 feet long. All the pilings, I don't see any damage on those whatsoever. No cracks, no spider cracks. There's another crack right here, going down vertically. And then at the very west side of the property, the ladder's all jacked up. And there's a separation crack starting right here by the joist block, going a couple inches in, going all the way to the neighbor's property.